Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sayote with egg. First, gather all your ingredients to make the process smooth and easy. You will need 1 large sayote, 2 fresh eggs, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by washing and peeling the sayote, then carefully slice it into small, thin strips, about 2 inches long. Mince your onion and garlic, setting them aside in separate small bowls, preparing for a delightful cooking experience. Now, let's start the cooking process by heating 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add the minced garlic and sauté it gently until it releases its lovely aroma, which usually takes around 30 seconds. Next, toss in the chopped onions, allowing them to soften and turn translucent, a process that typically lasts for about 2 minutes. Finally, add the prepared sayote strips, stir-frying them until they achieve a pleasant, slightly tender texture, approximately 5 to 7 minutes. While your sayote is cooking to a tender perfection, take a moment to lightly beat the 2 eggs in a separate bowl using a fork. Now, gently push the cooked sayote to one side of your pan, creating a clear space for our next step. Pour the beaten eggs into this empty section of the pan, allowing them to set slightly, then quickly scramble them. Once partially set, mix everything together well. Then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance all the flavors. Continue to cook your sayote with egg for just an additional 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the eggs are completely set and cooked through. Take a moment to taste your dish and adjust any seasoning. Perhaps a tiny dash of soy sauce could elevate the flavors further. Once satisfied, carefully transfer this warm, nutritious meal to a serving plate or a beautiful bowl. This simple yet satisfying sayote with egg is best enjoyed immediately, perhaps alongside a generous serving of freshly steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.